Hi guys, good morning. This is Yemah TV once again. Welcome to my channel and me enjoy the video and watch and learn, okay? I guess the time was right for us to say we took our time and live our life. Say every day by day. Always set it on a prayer. We know our dreams will all come true. Love and we can share. If you have ever wondered, will you be there for me? If you have ever wondered, you're the right one for me. Finally found the love of a lifetime. I love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Forever in my heart, I finally found the love of a lifetime. Every kiss our love is like brand new. Whoa. And every star's up in the sky was made for me and you. Still we both know that the road is long. We know that we'll be together because our love is strong. Finally found the love of a lifetime. A love to last my whole life through. Finally found the love of a lifetime. Forever in my heart, I finally found the love of a lifetime. Ooh, I finally found the love of a lifetime. I love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Forever in my heart, I finally found the love of a lifetime. Love of a lifetime. Finally found the love. Forever in my heart, I finally found the love of a lifetime.